I don't know about you guys, but me personally, I like Saucony. So everybody that likes Sauconys, this is a good video for you because I'm gonna show you guys how to get some free shoes and clothes from Saucony company. All you gotta do is become a product tester. It's just like Nike and Adidas. If you've seen the prior videos I shot on them on how to become a product tester for them. So basically it's just a simple application. You just fill out all your information here. As you can see, I've signed up previously. I'm just going through it again so you guys can see some of what I put in and give you an idea of what you can do. When you sign up, now you don't gotta put the same stuff I put it, but this is just some of the things I put. I just filled that out and hit submit, and that was really about it, guys. They sent me to this page right here, basically saying that they'll let me know when they have some shoes or clothes products for me to test out. That's really about it, guys. Just go to the link. I'll put it in the description for you guys to just get there fast. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel, guys, because I'm gonna keep dropping them. So till next time, peace out. Make some money easy.